what we do today is more about when we understand this new thing where they come or we don't come, AI, and how AI go actually like help we for be better on what they do. So I will ask a better question to we. Would that they would ever hear about AI before? Hear about AI before? Would that they would don't use AI before? You know, use it. Why you not ACN up? Okay. So would that they will not know what AI they about or what AI mean? If you not answer the question, it will add something for no who say you day or who say we day. So I'm going for like answer the question and move to a better one. Rather you just lock mouth and you not say anything, you might suffer and not get an answer to them. And then how you come, I say you to go back. So I'll ask the question back. Who are there? Where today now the first time we hear about AI. Right. Anybody else? Right. Okay. So but we end up earlier. We don't use ChatGPT before. We don't use Gemini before. No. But we don't use ChatGPT before. Okay. So you see ChatGPT, like AI in Andy. Right? So in the past 2 months now, tools and the way they come out, we actually don't like the aim now for actually make work easier and work smoother. Things that way you really go take like 6 months for develop, it might take you as less as 1 week or a day for get done. So today in our design workshop, and the topic we'll get today are for create 1 page of anything. And most of you don't attempt for create flyer before, but we don't get the skill set of how to create a flyer before. Okay. Almost of you don't try for create websites before, we don't even sabi how for code. Almost of we want create video before, but we don't even know how for do it. Right. So now imagine the limitations that we get because of waiting. You know sabi for do something, right? But then now with AI coming in, you don't really need for know anything there, but you can actually get what you want. Like, on a normal, we don't like do a couple of websites, flyers before, wherein people will not ever use any of them design tool a day, able for create something out of them. So the aim today, we can create 1 page of anything, and then see what we can learn new from them. So if you don't have the last class, and you think say, oh, what will they teach so now something where you already don't sabi, there might be a new workflow where you don't know about, we will actually help you for be better. And also for add, this not about just, oh, can learn today, then now you're a professional for the next 1 year, or you don't get 5 years experience and you think say that's it. No. It means say, what you learn so today, now just the start, just like 2-3% of the start. Now it left to you and me for push yourself more to become a better person what to do. So someone go down kind like class like 5, 6, 7, 10, the same level where they you end up at the same level back. You will just start today, therefore end up be. And I will appreciate that during this class, if you get question, ask. If you not ask anything, if you not say anything, I will assume say we understand, and I will move forward. And waiting go at, now if everybody don't reach like level 50, and then I tell you the HTML and say, oh, are they level 1? And I go tell well, and you go unblock the progress of your whole class. So I advise that at certain points, if you don't understand something at that point, you don't understand them, just ace you up, ask the question, and I will answer. You understand? Yes? Wait till I talk to this one, I will do back to, but smile watch me. Right inside me, I answer. You understand? Yes? Yes? We understand? We understand? That's how they sit there at the workshop and make the answer. Me nobody answer me it. We understand? Still ask back. We understand what I just say? Nice one. Okay. So what we do today, we do. I assume say most of we are the college or don't see to us at the good college, and most of we go get job or be your own job creators. And one of the things that you need for get a job is to get something called a portfolio. Anybody know what's in a portfolio? No? Not a CV. That's a very good answer. It's like an advanced level of a CV. What is a portfolio then? For sure your experience.
Your qualifications and skills, and examples of what you've done.
Okay. For when they English, just like me, portfolio, now, sorry they show you skill sets, you experience, and the work that we don't do. Because they reach a point where your certifications do make sense. Yes, you're a degree holder. Yes, you don't see twice. Yes, until you get masters. Yes, until you get doctorate. But if you not get something for sure which you don't do, then we'll take past you again as skills they pass you because you get something for sure. So we can create something called a portfolio website for showcase what you don't do, for showcase you experience. How you make your face? You not get experience. For showcase your experience, and this is something where like most say you watch for a job, and then the person asks you, okay, give me your portfolio. Instead of now you go begin to take work with on do yanda or work with the over and you don't even know side there. All you need for now was just send one green link, and everything where the person need for know about you, did it. We understand? Anybody get question, anybody they be in, anybody need assistance or something for explain something better? Okay, assuming we're all at the same level. Right. So I'll ask another question. Almost possible waiting at the first day you ever own laptop. So by the way, we get digital literacy classes on Fridays at 11. So if you want to learn more about computer, that's the best time for actually come. On Fridays at 11. They teach you from scratch how you for even open laptop or how you for even see laptop like. So I got advice for also come in a class there. Right? Right. So the laptop that we'll get, we get something called browser inside it. And browser means say, that's how you go get information about something. Okay? So we can make use of two websites. They make use of Dribbble, and also they make use of Lovable. Right? So Dribbble is for inspiration, and then Lovable are for actually create a site. Right? Okay. Ask the question. Do something with your life. Okay. Inspiration is to create the site itself. Okay. So they start with something called browser. And I will assume say some of you know ever again what it's our life. No, browser. And Lovable. Would that day I will not ever able browser it's in life? One day. Myself not ever able browser it. Okay. So the funny thing is, most of them things that they call so, we don't use them before. But we just don't know how they use. For you ACN up, or you don't even know ACN up, say the same. If you use iPhone, Safari, na a browser. Chrome, na a browser. So yes, you don't use them before. But na the name na there. You understand? When you go Safari, when you go www.facebook.com or you go instagram.com, that app they allow you to go through them websites there. So the difference between browser and website. We understand? Question? No problem. So the browser they allow you to go to the websites them. Like I'll give an example. You get your host, but the only way for access that host is now you get key for them, right? If you don't get key to that host, you can't access it, right? And the same thing with browser. Without browser, you know they will like get access to any of the things that are online, like the Facebook, the Instagram, the WhatsApp. You can't access them. But then now, having access to that browser now, they allow you to get access to their websites today. If you know your Chrome on your phone, you able to go Facebook? Apart from the app? No. If you don't get Safari on your phone, will you able to go Instagram apart from the app? No. So like now the gateway for access the websites today. So for some of our laptops them, you go when someone gets Chrome, someone get Explorer. So if you forget access to that day, there is a Windows, sir. So they say some of our laptops them get either Chrome or Explorer, Microsoft Edge Explorer. So for you to get access to them, you go watch down na the screen. You see 4 rectangle on the edge. Just click on that. And then we click on them, something will come up. Yes. Yes. Yep. Sorry? All capital. Yep. So when you click on them, waiting they appear, they allow you for now search for anything inside this laptop we do use. But in this case, what we want right now, we want to make use of a browser, right? So somebody you actually even see them at the outside, say they show Microsoft Explorer. So you can either click on them, or if you see Chrome, when I CHROME, you also click on them, and then it open. So you can either click on this edge. Or you click on this. Do something with your life. Yeah. Yes, please. This one. This one. Yep. This one. Yep. Okay. So we all on click and we all open them. So myself they can do me own. By the way, my own go different from my own because me they use a different browser. And not to everybody your own go look like the same. Just so I make you understand. Just like how you get different man in here, but if you watch, they all get one name, man. Right? But they all get different characteristics to her, or different things towards her possibly. So now, they can go to the search bar. So the search bar, they allow you for search for anything on the internet. Okay? We understand? Yeah? So if you look up, you see something that says search at the top. This how it says search. You see the, we call them touchpad. And then you keyboard. This one. And this is your touchpad. Yes, now you touchpad only. So this is your touchpad. Yep. And this is your touchpad. Alright. So, you touchpad, we all don't see waiting at touchpad. It allow you for move on your screen. You see like one small icon, it allow you for move to the screen. So, we search for Dribbble, which is spelled DRIBBBLE.com. So just type this. DRIBBBLE.com. We don't type her. Almost person don't type her. Okay, almost person don't type her, mate. Yep, just hold on. I need to ask the person for confirm. Yep. Okay. So if you don't type them, all you need for doing is press enter. So if you watch on your keyboard, you will see something right ENTER. Just press her. Okay. So for some Pawi, now here we dey. Some Pawi, now this we dey see. So if you see this, all you need for do just click the first one. Some of we already there. If you there, it's fine. Not click anything, just wait. If you're not there, if not here you there, just click the first one. So almost person there right now. Almost person now reach the 8. You know, reach the 8. What's party? Okay, they load. Yeah, you did it. Yeah, don't load. Almost person now reach the 8. As I say, if you don't answer, I will just assume say you did it and then we'll just run. Okay, come. So you need to search for DRIBBBLE. 3 B's. You did it? I did it right now, so click this one. Okay, hold on. Click this one. Click this first one. Okay, could you just share with somebody first? So you just see. Yeah? Okay. So, for we don't go to Dribbble, as I said earlier, Dribbble now like, say where you come, you can get inspiration. So if you don't understand what inspiration mean, now like you want to do something, but then you probably don't know how to start. Or you are just want to see what already people don't do outside and how you care for implement something yourself. So what you can do with that, you can go watch for like what other people don't do and see how you care for implement them and that inspiration. And I know most of you don't stiff dress style from them celebrate them before. At the same thing, you get inspired by that musician or whoever and that inspiration. We understand? Right. So since we want to create portfolio website. Would I remember me writing a portfolio website apart from Khadija? Would I remember writing a portfolio website again? Anybody? Hey, you left something out. Anybody? They show you personality. Okay, you left something out. Anybody? As someone don't chap, we never go 30 minutes inside class 8. You document it. Folders I put all your personalities. Anybody else want to try? Apart from Khadija. Okay, Khadija, you want to try? Okay. So for just refresh your memory, portfolio website, are there you get your experience, your skill, and what are the things that you don't work on? Like if you don't do video before, if you don't do websites before, at least like show what you don't do. So if person see them, like so this person is skills than this, so I can for hire them. Understand? Right. So what they can do now, yeah, is they can search for the word portfolio. Because the thing about search, now what you want, now you tell them. Now like now if I go to anybody and I just turn up there, the first question they go ask me waiting. Right? So it's the same thing. You there, it ask you what kind of design you're interested in. Yeah? And in this case, what you want, a portfolio. So we just search. Yep. So you just go inside the search there, yeah, and just type portfolio. Portfolio. Internet. You can like do it somebody first and then yeah. You either do one, but me to go to portfolio design. Portfolio design. So if in any case where you search, it show you this, that means say it check if na Motorman or if na robot the user, which is a simple test where you yourself need to go through. So in that case, if you see this, they are more wide, so I will walk you through if you see this. I can get all attention, please. If this camera is screen, all you need to do just press begin, and then answer the question we say, this, and you have the answer for proof saying you're not Motorman. So if you not answer this, well, our. My bad, eh? Yep. We all suppose for the something like this. Almost passing there. As I say, it's already ask if you're a human or not, that you the answer for yourself. So today we don't know if you're a human or not in this class. Well, you're not Motorman or you're not a Motorman. Almost passing there right now. Yes.
Network.
Hello, just wait for. Almost passing there. Okay, almost passing or reach it. Okay, in a network. Ask them so everybody will benefit. Sorry?
for
Yep. No need for login. No need for login. Yet, it's called decide for login when they reach register. We all there?
What did you confirm? At the press confirm the same correct.
As I say, either can prove with pin amount or not. That's on you. Okay. So since if we don't reach here, if you scroll through, by the way, my results, no, my results might be different from your results what you get. So don't feel say, oh, I don't get exactly what's in the show now. So just like listen what the type of say is when you start your portfolio design, and I'll show you like a lot of style that you can now use for your own design. It looks like this. Okay. So we don't reach here or still network still slow. The network done better. Alright. So if you don't reach here and you just scroll through, you will see like different design in there that you can actually make use of. So what you can do is find one what you think say go work for your style or you like and then use them. Yeah, look for one like. Yeah, the internet. So, well, whilst it load, any question? None? No, not yet. Well, we will upload them. You know, be there? Might try for refresh and see. Okay, so I will say I like this one. Yep. Not necessarily means say use it for take this exact same one, but yeah, I will go with this one because it's simple and straightforward. All right. So since we don't get this one, the next question where some of you go ask is, how we were able to like get we own website. So all we need to do is we dey copy this. But before we copy this, we want to go to the tool we want to use next. And the tool now it's called Lovable. When I spell Lovable. Lovable.dev. And then just like how the last one, all we need from now was just press enter inside our keyboard. .dev. .dev. We don't reach here. We don't reach here. Almost possible you try it. So, yeah, just click the first one. You need to go Lovable. Or you get internet? They're Lovable now? So come up here. This is already the plus button there. Click on. And then I'll search lovable.dev. No, not here. You search Lovable, sir. Sorry, can I? Now, you can create a new one. Now search Lovable. So for we were not get them clear, for search for Lovable, you need to create another tab. And for create another tab, if you watch up, like if you watch up here, you see like a plus icon over here, like next to her. That plus icon means say you want another tab. When you click on that, you create another tab, and now you type lovable.dev. We there? Yes? Everybody? Okay. So with this one, all you need for the first thing we need to do is we need for login. So if I will explain what's in naming. For me use this stuff here, okay, a better one would be for me then no say you you need identification, right? Either passport or national ID card or voter's ID card. and certain institution in there, you're not really able to do anything inside there except you get the ID cards there or the identifications there, right? So now the same thing. When you use this, then if you know who are the user. So we can log in with or get started with email address. What are you waiting at email address before? We all get email address. Okay, we do answer, not experience, we all get email address. We all get email address. Nice one. So, the difference between login and getting started is that login, that means you don't use them before. That means you just come back. Now, like, you get host, you get the key to your host, you enter whenever you want, you come out whenever you want. But then now, imagine you move to another host. Before you enter for the first step, you need to give key, right? Or then give key, and I tell you for enter inside. So that's the same thing. Now, for most of we not ever register it. So that means that we need to get started. Okay? So since we get email address, them, hold on. Just a minute. I know say some of we now don't even know we email address and password or no side there. So what you can do, you can use like a special email, workshop, plus your name at christex.foundation. So if you go here, for get started, yep. So they ask you for use email address and password. So for this, just do workshop plus your name or the laptop in number at the back at you understand? And then the password. So if you do the email address with your name, you can use this as the password. And then when you write and done, you just press create your account. Any questions so far? Anybody stuck some side? You can use the email if you ever get access to her. When you go with the email, it will send you a notification for your email address. So yeah, you can find extension and connect on it. Okay. Internet. Just give me a minute. I come. Yes, please. money safe. Yep, we're not there yet. But you don't jump good. Just wait. Yep. Yeah. Let me give you the code. You can use personal. So you can use the Christex you and just use workshop plus your name at Christex Foundation. Plus your name. So it's workshop plus your name. So workshop, they use the plus sign, your name. Plus. So forget plus, for press shift and this. Then I write it. Yes, sir. At Christex.foundation. If they use your email address here, I can password it for you. Yes, please. So workshop plus you're also gonna email address and you don't send a code to your email address. Your name at Christex.foundation. At Christex.foundation. Capital W, small c. Small c, sir. So if you use your email address, it will send you message na you email. It's not workshop at Christex, workshop plus you name. Yes, so it's not at christex.com, it's at christex.foundation.
Okay.
They are more good listen. That's not so no. No, that's not problem. It's not for the password, it's for the email itself. It's workshop plus you name at christex.foundation. Okay, yeah, just hold. Yep.
Lovable is no more going to be used.
Today, yeah.
Because like if me like me so like I don't want out of.
The internet, we don't already make our
Yeah, the internet is probably for it.
Gemini.
For this class, no. For you and for yourself, yeah, but for this class, no. If they use you in personal mail, you can use them. That works. You don't see the mail? Yeah, just click them. Don't show. Most of we actually able for use we own personal mail. Okay. I mean say we reach here, we there, or don't pass here. Don't pass there. Okay, nice. Most of we not able for get access yet. What do you use to make you not get access yet? Your own personal. Eh? You good? Yeah, it tends to take a while. Yep. It seems like your internet is slow. No, don't say it. No. Your internet's slow. Stock. Okay, so man just see show off and would actually able for login any day right now. Or don't pass the either one of the two. You don't log in. Okay, one. Would again don't log in? Two. Okay, you didn't have your phone, so three. Eh? iPhone. Okay. Would again don't log in? You always log in.
Always.
So that's three. Would again log in?
I don't put the email, I don't put the password when they show invalid account.
Scam.
At christex.foundation. Yeah, let me verify you quickly. Yeah. Yes, I do. When you sign up for the first Lovable, it asks you for personalize you Lovable. So obviously I use my name. And then I continue. And then it asks me also if I'm already bought them. I can either select or I can just skip. Okay. So I am logged in, and remember the picture we'll take at the last one. So I can just copy this. Like, by the way, the video for the out. So if you listen, you able to understand the concept. Then we'll see how to do them. We can come back and I can explain to everybody how to get it done. So remember when we get this first inspiration. So all we need for now is to copy this picture. So if you just guys click, and then you go to copy image, and then go to Lovable, and then paste, right click and paste. And then now you tell them, say, you want, yes, I say just listen, I will run them through first, and then I will come back and go step by step and explain. Because this video get for the out either way. We understand? Okay. So may I just go back to what they listen, because it will be beneficial for we all. Will they listen? Okay. So remember at the start, we go Dribbble and we find some tool like. So when we don't log in into Lovable, all we need for them to come back to Dribbble, we right click, and then go to copy image, and then go to Lovable, and then we right click, and then we paste. And then when we paste, what now they can tell them, say, we want to create we own portfolio website, and we like the style we this already get. If we want to get more context into what we want to put inside it for we help with, like the different work we don't do, we actually bring them in and show it. So we can even tell them make create a default content that you can just use, and then from there we can actually edit them and put it to one inside. We understand? So now they tell and say, so if you notice what I just write, I tell and say, I want to create website, particular website, with exactly the style way I show. Then I tell and say, for involve my experience, my skill set, my proof of work. Proof of work now like basically the work that you don't do. And then for create section for contact me. So waiting to make this you actually get them really precise if I provide you more details. So the more details will be anybody want to use this as your own portfolio website. So I don't get my name, don't get my role. Yeah, maybe also not type this exact because I always not say your own experience than this. But anyways, just joking. Just get a short one day. So since I don't get like full on waiting I really want to do, so I even tell and say like my friend like a good description of what I don't get before. And then now at the game, skill sets. Yep, so I just don't get a brief one, press enter, and then all you need for do now, lap. So with this, you watch waiting, so now you can tell me exactly waiting I ask them, or what you think say I ask them. So if you watch, they tell me say you look at the screenshot, and then you explain what the screenshots look like, and then you now tell me how for create the design, and then they tell me now what are the things that they do, and then now you just get on working. How do they cast? So yeah. So at this point, it's either you lap, or you go prompt another AI, or you find inspiration. This is not about me, not type about me back there. Anyways, yeah. There you go. And it done. And mostly, if what we gam. So, this one will gam, and this way GUI. Is this similar? We not say yeah, just watch this, and then watch this. And then skill sets. In fact, it will make provision for like different work them. Right? And then also show site for email address and for contact. This is a simple one that you can just do. Way back then, if you want to do this, probably will take you a week or more. Get it done. And it is interactive. Yep. By the way, when you use Lovable, you have for the free one, you get 5 prompts a day. That means that this message we are sent to Ranso, 5 targets per day. I don't do 1, so that anything I want to do, you go 4. Yep. And you can also connect on to like you back end and yep. And then let's say for example, you do something and you don't like them, you want to change, let's say, the name from Eugene to something else, you don't wonder how not it possible. All you need for do is how I say ask Lovable. Who don't want to take advantage of this? Manly? Spell, please. Spell. P-A-L. Spain. E. This. Okay. And then just tell Anande. and all you do is get back to work, and all you get for doing now is just lap. And you don't change the name. 3, 2, 1, 1, 1. Yeah, but like that's how easy it is to just change the name and get a new one. Not only a name, if you get not only a name, even if you get picture you want change. Let's say we get a picture. The internet really they make some cool and cool. Okay, let's say we use this one, and we just copy this image and count and back. Let's use this image as my your login. Yep. So 3, 2. Once it load, if you notice here, they tell me say I get 2 credits remaining. I'm inside the user and 3 10. So you see the image will count inside? Like this. Sorry, not to use this. I apologize. Well, yeah. So all you need to do, just use your own language and how you understand how you talk to her. Just like how they talk to you. Type a mental and say, oh, I don't want this. I want this instead. And I know say one of the things that we would want most of our mind is, okay, I don't do this. You have to wait, please. Let's say I don't do this, but I want to make person see what I don't do. They wonder how are they possible. It is easy. You get this button up here. We say publish. All you need for now is just click on, and you can either change the name. Let's say we'll call this. Hope say person all gets this at this. Yep. Okay. So I can change it to what I want, and then I'll publish. So that when you say publish, that means it automatically publish anybody will get this URL, they able for share. Yeah. So if you want to prove what I talk now true, you can just type on your phone eugene-j.lovable.app on your phone and you see. And in doing this, you don't even need to worry about how you ever look on the phone or how you not ever look on the phone. We do all that for you. You just be precise in what you want from them and you get them. You just need to type using dash dot lovable, using dash j dot lovable dot app. It is here. Or you copy the link. If anybody don't search them, tell me if you ever see an iPhone. Anybody don't see her? So yeah. So that's our website. And we don't push out. Questions?